Hello, Sarah Barton here at Angel Cuddle Cafe and Angel Cuddle Trails. This is going to be a short video, very short video, doing some ho'oponopono with the intention of clearing all data, but clearing specifically on reconnecting to nature, connecting with nature, so that you are inspired, and I am inspired in ways to reconnect with nature. So we start with 3 deep breaths, in through the nose and out through the mouth. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. Thank you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. Thank you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. Thank you. I love and forgive myself. I loves and forgives myself, as in my little limiting self who is holding on to all the data, all the programming, the limiting beliefs and so on, so that they can be released and we go back to zero. Cleansing. So I am cleansing on myself. You always cleanse on yourself because you create the world around you, but in doing so you are giving others the opportunity to take 100% responsibility for what they are creating, and they too can cleanse on all of that data and get back to zero too. Because when you get back to zero, you are inspired to go forward in a more positive, healthier way. So today we were cleansing on reconnecting with nature, but you can also include and whatever else needs clearing, because we have a lot to clear. Okay. I will love you and leave you. Many blessings, angel cuddles, love and light. Bisous from the south of France. Hello, Sarah Barton here at Angel Cuddle Cafe and Angel Cuddle Trails. I can see a little beastie. I just wanted to do this picture. I don't know whether you can see or not, but I've gone pink. I'm in the pink. I decided to be me, and me is pink. The pink fairy in me came out, so I'm just being me. I'm in the pink, and I'm just doing this little video. Can you see if I get closer? Not too close, I don't want to frighten you. So there we are, in the pink, me being me, pink. Bisous.